Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the account and app state so the fix works reliably. Open TikTok, confirm you're on the account that needs watch history repaired, and update the app. Outdated builds often hide features. Once done, grant storage and activity permissions so the app can record and retrieve history. Make sure to back up any drafts or saved media before proceeding, because toggling settings can affect cached data. This step prepares the environment and prevents accidental loss while you repair watch history. Now you perform the core repair, clearing cache and refreshing the session so TikTok rebuilds correct history indexes. Go to Profile Settings, free up space, and clear cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that block history. Next, log out, force close the app, and log back in to renew authentication and tokens. After relaunch, deliberately watch and interact with 5 to 10 videos, like comment or pause, to trigger the watch history recorder. This recreates the history database entries the app uses. Finish by verifying the repair and applying a final troubleshooting step if needed. You check watch history under Profile Settings to confirm the recent videos you watched show up. If they do, the repair is complete. If history remains empty, reinstall TikTok to force a clean install, sign back into your account, then repeat the cache clear and watch sequence. If problems persist, test the same account on a different device to determine whether the issue is device-specific or account-side, and then contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.